Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shayna Violet and I am back with a different kind of video. It's been a while since I've done a real unboxing for you guys. This one is from DHGate and it is a Chanel bag. Yes, I said Chanel because it's not Chanel. Not yet, soon, but not now. And y'all, this was sent to me. This was gifted, period. If you're new here, hey girl. If you're not, hey fam, what's up, what's poppin'? If you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Y'all want more videos like this? You know what to do. I was like, oh, this a box and it says channel on it. That's copyright infringement, but you know what? I ain't gonna say nothing if you not, okay? I feel like even though it's a channel, like, is this the right outfit for this? Is this appropriate? I don't think so. I don't think so. You know what? I'm gonna just do a quick little switcheroo change. Okay, I feel like this is better. I'm excited. Are you excited? If you're excited, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Like, come on, give it a thumbs up because we got a channel goodie in here. Off the plastic. Probably should use some scissors. You know, being a nail girl and not ever being a nail girl before is very treacherous to your nails. Because I be opening everything with my nails. I'm like, these are bottle openers, these are package openers, this is the punctured cardboard. Like, I'm doing everything with these nails. And that's why they be coming off so quick. Except my new girl, my new nail lady. I only went to her once, but she's my lady now. She's my girl because hers lasted like a good month and a half. Box is super nice. It does have like a little bit of a smell. The box is a little bent in, but I mean, it's been going through the ringer. Just so y'all know, everything, all the information will be in the description box below. But I will say that I did look this bag up. It is available on Fashion File for $5,000.95. If I had $5,000.95, I wouldn't even be out of debt. So this though, $79.50. That sounds a little better, and it's $79.50, okay? That is a more reasonable price for me right now. Will I actually wear this out? I don't know. I got it in black because I feel like black is a little bit easier to get away with. Once you start going into other colors, it's just like, girl, is that real? Is that real? Don't look like it. Okay, on the side, it has nonsense and a QR code. I'm not gonna scan it because you never know what people putting out in here. What is this? Not it having nonsense. Oh, they gave me a fake receipt. I'm screaming. I've seen people like, and they're like, oh, they gave you the authenticity tag and all that good stuff, but not the actual receipt, child. Like, they said, oh, you check this out. Look at this. Not even straight either. Not even the Chanel logo. The Chanel C is cut off at the top a little bit. They're childish. They're so childish, but I love it. Because anybody tell me it's not. Don't play with me, play with your mama. And the total, $8,698. If you say so. Let's just throw this to the side and get to the bag. Oh, this is gonna protect my bag. This is open. So we have the dust bag. The C's are obviously not the Chanel C's. The moment of truth. Da, 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 da. It's cute, but I already see a little sniggle snag. Y'all see that? A little snag right there? Yeah. We're gonna have to do something about that. Other than that, she's cute. She stinks. There's definitely glue little marks all over the bag. Not super noticeable, but because like I am a fashion girl, like I know, and everybody says you're a fashion girl, right? No, but I really, I used to work in fashion. I went to school for fashion, etc., etc. I have touched a Chanel bag before, so I know what it's supposed to feel like. I don't know what this one's specifically supposed to feel like, but I know what a good Chanel bag is supposed to feel like. But let's see. I don't know if you guys can see these little like these little white things protruding here. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is on the actual Chanel, there's a little bit more like oomph to this middle part. There's a little bit more oomph, like a little bit of padding in there. there's no stitching to make the C's like come together. So there's like a little baby stitch right here that's connecting the C's together. I don't know if y'all can see them. There's a little baby stitch that is connecting them together, and that's not how the original one is. The chain actually has a strap, a leather strap in the middle, which this one does not. I also feel like the chain is a bit bigger on the actual Chanel than this one. The chain connects at the top on the actual bag, and it connects here on the Chanel bag. It also has this like lock and key situation. I don't know what it opens or closes. I do see it on the original. This is pretty tiny. This is a little Chanel emblem that is on it. And then this is the little itty bitty baby key. I don't know where it goes to or what it's supposed to go to. Let's open her up. I do like this little handle on the top. Let me see if they put the handle on the right side. Okay, they did put it on the right side. The zippers look pretty accurate. I mean, there's not much to it, but just a black little zipper. On top of these, they have the little C's. Okay, she's red on the inside. Oh, not the bag coming apart. So as far as the inside goes, it's not constructed the best. Like, I just don't understand why they would make it red. This is the bag you gotta keep closed. So this is the inside, guys. You can literally peel that. That's the glue that was on the outside of the bag. Like, what? Okay, y'all see that? Like, they could have really like glued that a little bit better, sewed that a little bit better. They do have the little Chanel logo. It's not the same as how the one that I'm looking at is. Granted, this could also be like, I don't know if they've, because you know Chanel is really private with their pictures, like they don't really be showing it. So this could be another year of this bag or something, but the picture that I'm seeing and finding has the Chanel part just regular. Do y'all see that? That is like a piece of cardboard, I think. I don't know. I didn't like do a cardboard test, but I'm gonna assume that it's a piece of cardboard just because of the color. And it's a little separated from this red part. So yeah, on this side, like I was able to kind of peel it apart. Oh no, I can still peel it apart. Can y'all see? Like what? I see why people spend $5,000 for Chanel bags. Oh, the actual Chanel bags have like a identification number on them. And this does not have a fake identification. I mean, it came with a fake receipt. You would think it'd come with a fake identification number, but whatever. I feel like this is like a $50 bag. Like if it didn't have the Chanel logo on it, I'm lying, 40. If it didn't have the Chanel logo on it, I'd pay $40 for a bag like this. And the C's are even. One's a little bigger than the other, but I digress. So if I had to rate this bag out of 10 for believability, is that a word? It's a word because I said it. So believability out of 10, I'd probably give it a 4. I'd give it a 4. There were just too many red flags. I don't want to give it a 1 because like if you're not really looking, you could get away with it. But if you know how Chanel bags are crafted, or if you just have a picture, like I feel like it was so obvious from the picture that it was not the same. And to me, when I think about replicas or bags that are dupes, I do feel like there is just a good 75 to 25 ratio of like, it's believable, but it's not real, if that makes sense. Like they just knock it off and don't put the logo on it. They put the logo on it and didn't knock it off. Cuteness, just cute in general, like not even worried about it to Chanel, whatever. Definitely a 10. This is a cute little black bag. The chain is a little long, but it's actually super long. But this is really cute. I wish the straps were removable. That would have been cute. See, that would have been cute. That would have helped this out a little bit, because like you just remove the straps, you don't know what's going on. Like, but the straps I feel like is a dead giveaway. Like the no thing in the middle and the fact that it's not at the top, like dead giveaway. Yeah, I give it a 6 out of 10. It's not the best dupe. It smells The inside is just not, it doesn't make any sense in comparison to the actual bag. And it's just like falling apart, and I just got it. Like, we just got you. So why are you doing this? Is the question. All right, guys, so comment down below what you guys think of this bag. Let me know if it's a yes, if it's a no, if it's a like, they tried, they didn't succeed 100%, but they tried. If it's just like a hell no, if it's one of those, let me know down below. Just comment down below where your head is at, because mine's in the gutter. If you want to buy this bag because you're like, okay, it's cute, they tried, they didn't do an excellent job, but I could work with it, definitely hit that description link down below. $79 is pretty hefty for the thing. The strap's not even being the same. Y'all got all this material. All right, guys, so that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more DHGate hauls, videos, etc., unboxings, or AliExpress, etc., unboxings, let me know down below. Make sure, if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Be sure to thumbs up this video if you like what you see. Not necessarily the bag, but more so me and my descriptions. And of course, before you go, make sure to share this with your friends, family, homegirls, homeboys, aunties, uncles, co-workers, bosses, whoever you, president, I don't know. Share it with everybody. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.